If you're preparing for the Microsoft Designing and Implementing Microsoft DevOps Solutions AZ-400 exam, this video is exactly what you need. In this video, we'll practice 10 carefully selected AZ-400 exam questions chosen from these official domains to help you understand how real exam questions are structured. And if you're looking for complete preparation, Certprep.io offers expert-designed practice questions, up-to-date content, and mock exam simulations to help you prepare with confidence. Question number 1. You are deploying a server application that will run on a server core installation of Windows Server 2019. You create an Azure key vault and a secret. You need to use the key vault to secure API secrets for third-party integrations. Which 3 actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option A, configure RBAC for the key vault. Option B, modify the application to access the key vault. Option C, configure a key vault access policy. Option D, deploy a virtual machine that uses a system-assigned managed identity. Correct answer is A, B, and D. Question number 2. You are using GitHub as a source code repository. You create a client-side Git hook on the commit message event. The hook requires that each commit message contain a custom work item tag. You need to make a commit that does not have a work item tag. Which Git commit parameter should you use? Option A, squash. Option B, no verify. Option C, message. Option D, no post rewrite. The correct answer is B, no verify. Question number 3. You plan to provision a self-hosted Linux agent. Which authentication mechanism should you use to register the self-hosted agent? Option A, SSH key. Option B, personal access token. Option C, alternate credentials. Option D, certificate. Correct answer is B, personal access token. Question number 4. You are monitoring the health and performance of an Azure web app by using Azure Application Insights. You need to ensure that an alert is sent when the Azure web app has a sudden rise in performance issues and failures. What should you use? Option A, custom events. Option B, Application Insights Profiler. Option C, usage analysis. Option D, smart detection. Correct answer is D, smart detection. Question number 5. You store source code in a Git repository in Azure repos. You use a third-party continuous integration (CI) tool to control builds. What will Azure DevOps use to authenticate with the tool? Option A, certificate authentication. Option B, a personal access token. Option C, a shared access signature. Option D, NTLM authentication. The correct answer is B, a personal access token. Question number 6. You are integrating an Azure Boards project and a GitHub repository. You need to authenticate Azure Boards to GitHub. Which 2 authentication methods can you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option A, a trusted root certificate. Option B, a publisher certificate. Option C, Azure Active Directory. Option D, GitHub user credentials. Correct answer is D, GitHub user credentials. Question number 7. You plan to use a NuGet package in a project in Azure DevOps. The NuGet package is in a feed that requires authentication. You need to ensure that the project can restore the NuGet package automatically. What should the project use to automate the authentication? Option A, an Azure Automation account. Option B, an Azure Artifacts Credential Provider. Option C, an Azure Active Directory AAD account that has multi-factor authentication enabled. Option D, an Azure Active Directory AAD Service Principal. Correct answer is B, an Azure Artifacts Credential Provider. Question number 8. In Azure DevOps, you create Project 3. You need to meet the requirements of the project. What should you do first? Option A. From Azure DevOps, create a service endpoint. Option B. From SonarQube, obtain an authentication token. Option C. From Azure DevOps, modify the build definition. Option D. From SonarQube, create a project. The correct answer is D. From SonarQube, create a project. Question number 9. Your company is concerned that when developers introduce open source libraries, it creates licensing compliance issues. You need to add an automated process to the build pipeline to detect when common open source libraries are added to the codebase. And if you're looking for complete preparation, Certprep.io offers expert-designed practice questions, up-to-date content, and mock exam simulations to help you prepare with confidence.